Welcome to MTG. In this video, we will show you how to get MTG's online test package for Level 1, ICSO, NSO, IMO, IEO, IGKO and ISSO. For all online test packages, the procedure is similar. Let's say we want to get IMO Class 1 online test package. So first, go to www.mtg.in and search for Class 1 IMO Online Test Package. Now, add it to the cart and click on Proceed to Pay. Log into your existing account. If you don't have an account, then register yourself first. After login, place your order. Then complete your payment. Immediately after completing the purchase, you will receive an order confirmation mail like this. You will also get activation email from info@SOFolympiadtrainer.com like this with your login ID, password and a link within 24 working hours of purchase. Existing users will not receive any email. They just have to log in with their previous credentials. The package will be automatically added within 24 working hours of purchase. Use these details to log in yourself on www.SOFolympiadtrainer.com. After login, fill in your details. You will find your test on dashboard and My Content section. Here, go to IMO. And select Class 1. Here you can attempt all the tests. Just click Open, select the topic and start the test you want to take. After ending the test, you can check your performance and answer of all the questions here. You can download the previous year papers and mock test series in a PDF format for print as well. Remember, this is a digital product, meaning it will not be shipped to your address. If there is an issue or query, contact us at info@mtg.in.